The oxidation is severe.
Check the main power conduit.
The oxidation here is extensive. We'll need a full structural scan. Agreed. The armor plating is compromised right through this. Keep it steady. Watch that right rear axle.
Copy that. Slow and steady.
That's it, moving forward. Keep it steady. Guide the rear wheels.
Slow and controlled. Watch the platform.
Almost there. Secure the brakes.
Keep it steady. Guide the front wheels.
Front clear.
Hydraulics holding.
Secure the rear axle chains first.
Copy.
Check tension on the left side.
Keep it steady. We are almost there. Initiating final alignment. Perfect. Cut the power. Let's get to work. Check the tension on the main chain. Hold it there. Looks good. Ready on this side. Keep it steady. Tighten the starboard side mounts.
We're set here, boss.
Good. Prepare to raise it another foot. The extent of the corrosion here is severe.
Focus the light there.
We need to reinforce this section immediately. All right, a little further to the left. Take it slowly. Copy that. Moving left.
All right, bring it down slowly. Watch the alignment on the right. Easy, easy, just a little more.
Clear the securing pins.
Secure it now. Tighten those clamps.
The housing here is heavily corroded. We'll need a full replacement.
And the hose?
Damaged, needs marking. The connectors are also worn. Torque is 50 foot-pounds. Check.
Check.
Main line's connected. Looks good. Let's start the diagnostic run.
Check the stress points on the frame. It needs to handle 50 tons.
Verified. Moving to the lower section now.
The windshield frames need to be reinforced here.
We're setting the yellow panel now.
Check the integrity of the lower chassis.
Clean that wire bundle carefully. Okay, boss.
มันต้องแก้ค่ะไรที่เหมือนกันนะคะที่ฐานที่ต้องแก้คุณยังจะหาค่ะหน้าจ้องหน้าต่อยแล้วที่ตรงหน้าขาไม่มีนะและคุณไม่รอดนะคะAssistent workers are going to let's look and
Ensure the frame is stable before the new panel goes in. Understood.
Yes, ma'am. And then you're done.
Keep working on this section. Copy that, moving to the lower panel. Ensure a perfect finish. We're almost ready. Keep the RPM steady on that hub. Make sure the seal is clean. Move to the next tire assembly.
The rear suspension looks perfect.
Checking the final axle torque now.
Outstanding work, team. Hold it there, just a few inches lower. Steady, steady, perfect.
The hydraulic pressure is holding steady.
Good. Check the sensor calibration.
Verified. Everything looks optimal.
Main systems online. All green.
Excellent work. Proceed to finalize.
Affirmative.
Initiating hydraulic lift. Check pressure on all cylinders. Visual confirmation. Pressures are holding. Begin wheel rotation.